Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with ThoughtSpot, full guide step by step clearly. To register with ThoughtSpot, begin by navigating to the official ThoughtSpot website. Locate the sign up button prominently displayed on the home page. Click on the sign up button to access the registration form. Fill in your email address in the designated field. Choose a strong password that meets the security requirements indicated on the screen. Re-enter the password in the confirmation field to ensure accuracy. Next, provide your first and last name as requested. Select your country from the drop-down menu to indicate your location. If applicable, enter your company name in the provided field. Review the terms and conditions before proceeding. Once you have read the terms, check the box to accept them. Click on the Register button to submit your information. You will receive a confirmation email shortly after registration. Open the confirmation email and find the link to verify your email address. Click the verification link to activate your account. After verification, return to the ThoughtSpot login page. Enter your email address and newly created password to access your account. Complete any additional profile setup that may be required. Explore the ThoughtSpot platform and familiarize yourself with its features. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested content. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.